In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the record tool. Now with this tool, you can record yourself presenting your slideshow. Now the reason you might want to do that is to make your presentation available along with your narrations to people who weren't able to attend your actual presentation. Now I've opened up the Epcot presentation and I've clicked on the slideshow tab. Now if you look in the setup group, you'll see the record drop arrow. I have the option to record from beginning or from the current slide. I'm going to go from beginning. Now, when I click that button, I'm in my slideshow, and around it, I've got various tools for working with my recording. In the top left, I've got my record control panel, and this is where I would click the button to start recording, stop the recording, or preview my recording. If I have notes for the slide that's on the screen, they would be displayed in this pane right here. And if I wanted to adjust the font size, I could click the increase or decrease font size button. Now the clear option allows me to clear any existing recordings. I don't have any, that's why they're grayed out. Now you'll always want to check your settings to make sure that your microphone and your camera are attached. If you look on the left and on the right, you'll see that you have navigation buttons, and these are going to let you navigate through your presentation. At the bottom, you've got a status bar. Mine says slide 1 of 6. And once I hit record, you'll see the time that I spend on each slide displayed. Now at the bottom, I've got some digital tools, pen, marker, and highlighter, and some colors. And those allowed me to make visual cues or annotations on my slides as I'm presenting. And then I've got my microphone and my video button. So if I want to turn either one of those on or off, I would just click them. I've got my video turned off because I'm already using my camera to make this video. I'm going to begin my presentation recording. So I'm going to click record. The countdown begins, and now I'm actually recording. So what I should be doing is saying everything I want to say about this slide. And when I'm done, I hit the navigation button to move to the next slide. Now, if I want to use an annotation tool, I can just grab the one that I want and use it however I'd like, and then navigate to the next slide. And when I'm all done with everything, I can hit the stop button. But before I do, I just want to point out you have the option to pause. So if I wanted to pause this recording and then continue it again, I would just click it a second time. And when I want to stop recording for good, I click the stop button. Now, if I want to preview what I just recorded, I could hit the replay button. And then it's going to play what I did on this slide. And if I want to get out of my recording and go back to my presentation, I can click this X up in the top right corner. And now I'm back in my presentation. Now, since I didn't record my video, I only have the audio icon in the bottom right corner of my slide, indicating that I have a recording present. Okay, and notice I also have it on slide 2 and slide 3, okay, because that's as far as I went during my recording. Now, if I want my presentation to play automatically and use these narrations, I would check off the play narrations option in my setup window and then go to my slideshow and play from beginning. And now I'm actually recording.
So what I should be doing is
I'm going to escape out. And hopefully you guys can see that recordings can be a really handy tool if you want to get your whole presentation set ahead of time so that you can just ship it out when you're ready. One more thing I want to show you. Now that I've actually made a recording, if I click this drop arrow for recording, notice the clear option is now available to me. So if I wanted to clear my timings or narrations on the current slide or the whole presentation, I'm able to do that. Okay, so that is the recording tool.